Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Cotussa County Superintendent Chance Nix and Heritage High School Principal Matt Phillips, please welcome to the field the 2025 Heritage High School Legion of Generals. The Legion of Generals will perform their show Blue, featuring the musical Carlos Rafael Rivera, Kenny Dorham, Frank Ticelli, Arthur Pryor, George Gershwin, and Evan Berlin. The Legion is under the field direction of drum majors Nicholas Anchondo, Lydia Crawford, and Annalie Modine. Captains are Garrett Long, Hudson Case, and Emmeline Brown. Tonight's performance will feature soloists Nicholas Anchondo, Piper Scott, Garrett Long, Abigail Stegschner, and Mason Courtney Soper, with featured choreography by Mirabella Little. Legion, you may take the field.
Go Parker! Oh, she's over here. Okay, so if you turn around, I swear to God. Raymond's still looking at
What?
Raymond's still looking at
It's fire. To Liam, dress to Janie, dress to Janie, dress to Janie. One, a two, three, a four. One, a two, three, a four. One, a two, three, a four. One, a two. Turn. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Guys, articulate correctly. Don't you go yet.
Spaces, 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 spaces.
Blue, it's blue. Where?
Yeah, Heritage High School, Legion of General.
Go, go! Run the prompter, guys.
Hey, you look like Bliss. You feel like solid Bliss.
Yeah, it was awesome.